This literature kit on The City of Ember by Jean Dupro provides a variety of engaging activities that can be easily broken up over several weeks to coordinate with assigned reading. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Describe in detail the City of Ember from how it looks to how it operates. Analyze the chapter titles and dissect what they could allude to. Explain what we as readers discover about Ember when Doon visits the library. Answer comprehension questions about events in the book surrounding Doon's investigation in the tunnels. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as creating your own list of instructions that have been damaged and have a partner decipher what they are for. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Plot the important moments or points of action from the story in a pipeline timeline graphic organizer. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.